In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to feature a post on Wix if you want to make one of your blog posts stand out more clearly on your Wix website. Pinning or featuring it is a simple and effective way to do that. This is especially helpful if you have an important announcement, a popular article, or a post you want visitors to notice first when they browse your blog. To begin, go to your site's dashboard in Wix. This is the main control area where you manage your website content, settings, and blog. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu gives you access to the different sections of your site. From the left sidebar, click on Blog. This will open the Blog Management area, where you can control everything related to your posts, categories, and blog layout. After that, click on Posts. This will take you to the full list of blog posts that are currently on your site. Now take a moment to find the specific post that you want to feature. Once you've located it, look for the three-dot icon next to that post. This icon usually opens a menu with additional actions you can take. Click the three dots and then select Pin, and that's it. Once you click Pin, the post will be featured so it can get more visibility within your blog section. This is a quick way to highlight important content without needing to edit the post itself. As a helpful tip, after pinning the post, it's a good idea to preview your blog and make sure the featured post appears the way you want. That way you can confirm it's showing in a prominent position and fits well with the rest of your content. If you ever want to change which post is highlighted later, you can return to the same Posts area and repeat the process for another post. This is one of those small Wix blog tools that can make a big difference in guiding your readers toward the content that matters most. It only takes a few clicks, and it's a useful option whenever you want to keep a certain post front and center. Thanks for watching, and that's how to feature a post on Wix.